Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are just joining us, you're welcome. My name is Tolu Alope. So I did Q&A on my Instagram and WhatsApp, and apparently I got some questions. So let's get started. What job will you be absolutely terrible at? I'll be terrible at teaching. I can't teach. I'm not comfortable teaching someone. I don't know how to teach. I'm a worst teacher. So I think that is it. What is the most useless talent that you have? I think dancing. I can't dance to save my own life. I don't know how to dance. I'm not good at dancing. So dancing it. The third person said, what is one thing you can't live without? I can't live without water. Not even a day. I can't go a day without water. So that is it, water. What keeps you busy during lockdown? What kept me busy during the lockdown is Netflix and chill. After Netflix, I cook. After cooking, I sleep. After sleeping, I'm on the internet. How much will you pay a hacker threatening to release your data to fam and friends? I'm not going to pay you a dime. I'm not. I don't know how to bribe people. Go ahead and pay if you want to. But to me, I'm not going to pay. And if you want to release it, please do so as soon as possible. Will you be my girlfriend? Yes, if you have money. How much do you have in your bank account? Is your surname $10? Is your surname Dangote? How much do you have? Tell me. I'll be your girlfriend. Are you into girls? No, I am not. I like girls, but I am not into girls like that. Like, no, I am not. I am a girl and I like you. Thank you. I like you too. Thought of kissing a girl? No, never. Never will I. No, I can't kiss my gender. I can't. Have you ever been arrested? No, I didn't. No, I'm always obeying the rules and regulations. So, no. A kiss with you? Okay, no problem. Pick a location. I love you with my heart. I love you too with my heart. I wish we could be together. I wish to. If you are rich, I'll be with you. I miss you honestly. I miss you too. I miss you too. Do you have a crush in Essie? No, I do not. Maybe someone is crushing on me. I don't know. But me, I do not have a crush in Essie. What is your most terrible lie? I think my most terrible lie is I was invited to a pool party and I went along with my swimsuit, and I told my mom I didn't swim, and she was like, I know you did. And I was like, no, I didn't. I think that is my worst lie. I miss you too. I have a lover in SA now. No, I do not have a lover in South Africa. No, I do not. Do you enjoy SA? Yes, I do. I do. I enjoy everything. Everything is good. The weather, every damn thing. I enjoy every damn thing. When are you coming back? I can't say for now. Maybe in the future. Then you pay for my tickets. I love your lips. Oh, thank you. You are beautiful. Oh, thanks for the compliments. Are you scared of the dark? Yes, I am scared of the dark. I am. I don't like darkness. No, I don't like. I am very, very scared. I am. Do you write your love life in a diary? Yes, I used to. I have a diary, but I can't find my diary. So I think I have to get another one. I'll start writing my love life there. Say something you don't like about yourself. One thing I don't like about myself is caring for people who don't want it. And I'm very temperamental. That is just it. I don't want. That is just the two things I don't like about myself. What is your best food? My best food is plantain and egg. Nothing else apart from that. Nothing else. You can't tell me otherwise. I love you, serious. I love you too. I love you so much. I love you from the bottom of my heart. What is the most terrible? What is the worst trouble you have been in? That was in secondary school. My class, we were told to do some punishments, and one of my classmates said something about the teacher, at the back of the VP's office, and the VP egged us and wasn't our punishment. I hate that day. Okay, I've said I love you, serious. Ever kiss and tell? No, I don't do that. Can I be your boyfriend and your lover? If you have money, you can come. But if you don't have money, don't come to me. Last time you cried, I think I cried last year, November 1st. I cried that day. I cried a lot. Not a question though, but I like you. I like you too. I like you so much. Thanks for liking me. I had a secret crush on you. What happened now? You're not crushing on me again. I had a secret crush on you. What happened now? Please, so. What happened now? I want to know. Are you single? Yes. I think I am single. I think so. Correct boyfriend. I do not have a boyfriend. I do not have a boyfriend. I had a secondary school boyfriend. Yes, I did. Then it was my senior in secondary school. But it's not like a relationship thing like that, Sha. It's always buying me things, maybe food, and helping me with some assignments. That's just it. So that's a relationship. I don't know. Most handsome crush. My most handsome crush is Eniola Oluwa. I love you. Do you love me too? Yes, I love you. The biggest regret. My biggest regret was when I had the opportunity in 2013 to go to the UK and I didn't. Up till now, I am regretting it. Like, okay, don't talk about it. Coffee or tea? I think I prefer tea. I do not like coffee. Maybe because of the caffeine. I don't know. I don't like coffee. I had nightmares. Yes, I do. A lot. Favorite Nigerian celebrity? Lord. I like Olamide. I like Funke Akindele Bello. I like Tony Abraham. For now. Your first kiss. Is that a kiss? I don't think so. It was a guy that had a crush on me that did that. We were having a conversation and all of a sudden just did it. So I don't know. Name of your best friend. I do not have a best friend. I don't keep friends like that, Sha. So I don't have a best friend. I prefer sharing my pains and every other thing to my mom and my sister. I don't have a best friend. Do you pick your nose? And everybody does now. What is it? I pick my nose. Best gift you have received? No, I don't receive gifts like that. But on Christmas Day, I got a parcel from someone I don't know. If you are the person, please do let me know so I can thank you. I love those earrings. Ever pee in a shower? Yes, I do that. I do that almost every day. I did it today too. Ever fell in love? Of course. Yeah. Your crush, Eniola Oluwa. Worst thing you have done? Worst thing I have done? I don't know. What is that? I can't remember. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is black. I like black a lot. Black or nothing else. Apart from black, I like pink. I like orange. I like white. What is your favorite movie? Okay, my favorite movie is, I like Umbrella Academic. Everything was superb. I like Sex Education. So many movies like that that I like. How old are you? I am 23, 2 and 3. Did you enjoy listening to my latest song? Yes, I do. I think you should release more songs often. Do you have street parents? No, I do not have street parents. My parents are friendly. Both my mom and my dad. You can walk up to them and share every damn thing with them. Like, even if you are not their children, you can walk up to them. My mom, you are free to her. You are free. You are free to talk to her. My dad, you are free to talk to him. You can share a lot of things with them. In fact, you can live in our house a year and they won't send you packing. No. My parents are not like that. They are very free. They are not streets. What is your favorite holiday destination you would like to visit or you have been to? Okay, I've not been there, but I would like to go to Bali, Monaco, Mexico, Jamaica, Dubai, Maldives, Cape Verde, those countries. For now, I would love to visit them. Then Paris too. I love Paris. Are you in a relationship? I won't say I'm in a relationship like that because it is not love when it is one-sided. So I don't think I am in a relationship. I don't think. What position are you in your family? Ah, I am the firstborn, first grandchild, first great grand, first grand. I am the first. Where did you have your first kiss? I think in a church. Church or is it church or I don't know. What inspired you to start your vlog? Okay, that is, I found this platform as an app where I can express myself, share a lot of things with people. That's what inspired me to start a vlog. That is it. What is your plan for Valentine? I do not have a plan for Valentine. I'll be at home that day, sleeping, Netflix and chill. I'll be on the internet, cooking. That's my plan for Valentine. No plan. I'm not receiving any gifts. I'm not giving anybody anything. Nobody's taking me out. I don't know. Why do you like sleeping? Is that a question? Why do I like sleeping? I like sleeping, no. I don't mean if I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I should know why. I'll look into it. So that is it. I hope I answered you all questions. And do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop my new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.